They say misery loves company, but if you're driving with bad weather and terrible vision, you might just want to drive alone. But that's okay, because wipers are the unsung heroes of clear vision, and clear vision equals safe driving. So today we've got Ivan from Lihle, and he's going to tell us all about wipers and why they're so important for eye driving. Ivan, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you so much.
That's so good to hear. So Ivan, I was hoping you could tell me what exactly is the importance of wiper blades when it comes to vision and visibility while driving.
So yes, you are very accurate there. They are very important. That's your first and last line of defense against all the elements out there to keep your windscreen clean.
Okay, so I'm assuming I need to start shopping for wiper blades when they've probably, they're no longer working properly. What are some of the signs I can look out for to see that they're not working properly?
There's three things mainly, skipping, streaking and squeaking. So it's the 3S system, if you call it that. Essentially, you can see and hear all three of them. It's very easy to identify. If they start to skip, it leaves those lines on your window and it makes that noise every time. So that's essentially due to hardened rubber. Age does that. Squeaking is the same thing. It just, the rubber gets hard over time or bad maintenance. And streaking, it might be dirty. It's very important to keep them clean.
You said earlier that the efficacy of the wiper blades gets reduced because of the hardened rubber.
Yes.
Can you show me on these new wiper blades that we have here, where exactly do we see that and why exactly is it relevant?
So your new blades will come with a protective strip on the rubber out of the box. The wiper blade is essentially just a rubber strip, but if you can look at the back, at the end there, that piece is it's flexible. So that moves every time your wiper swipes on your windscreen, it flexes to one direction. And when it flexes, goes the other way, it flexes the other direction. So the softer the rubber, the better they're going to wipe. That's essentially what it comes down to. So if you look on your car's wiper blade, you've got this plastic clip. So this one is very simple. It's got two grips on the side. You grip it there and then you open it up. So that's your first step. This is a C-type bracket. So you just simple as sliding this out there. Make sure that clip comes off nicely. So like I said, ensure your wiper size is the correct size. If you look at the two of these next to each other, they are essentially the same size. New wiper blade, you can take off your nice little guard there. Very satisfying. And then this is closed. Usually it's in the box, it's not clicked. So you just open up that little plastic cover, ensure it's the right direction, because it can only go in on one direction.
I see.
The C of the clamp has to sit around that little part there. Just insert it there until you hear the click. Close it up and bob's your uncle.
Ivan, you mentioned earlier that the size is really important when it comes to choosing the wiper blades for my car. So where exactly can I find out the specific size for my car? Is it somewhere online or is it in my manual perhaps?
Take your VIN number to Goldwagen, they're going to check it online and you're good to go. They will sort you out in a jiffy.
So Ivan, where exactly do I put the water in for my wipers?
So all the car manufacturers, they keep it very simple for everybody to see very nicely. Look for the blue cap in your engine bay. They made it nice and simple. There's a picture of a windscreen and some sprayers on there. You just pop this blue cap off and you can fill up your water level right there. So pre-mix a soapy solution, put it in there and you are good to go.
Ivan, I must say, all your tips today definitely helped put my mind at ease to see how simple it is to take care of my wiper blades on my own. So thank you very much.
It's only a pleasure. I'm glad I could help.
There you have it. Now, the next time you hear that squeaking or see that streaking and that skipping in your blades, there's no reason to fret because you can change it yourself or ask a pro to assist you. Hopefully, all these tips helped you to just keep on driving.